We'll do that one next. Okay, what is it?
The balloon. With stuffing.
Okay, you gotta pop it. Woo! Oh, there it is.
Shake box game.
Need is a tissue box with some string. Turn around this way. Okay, round two.
Count of 3. 1.
I won. You guys, we are going to do a next activity.
Okay, take the balloon off. Woo! Woo! For New Year's Eve slime, we have these 3 awesome, fun, festive add-ons. And then you'll need a teaspoon of borax, a half cup of warm water, and then either 2 to 4 ounces of glue.
Bye.
Walker, what can you make with the slime?
Gooey.
You do something cool with it?
So sparkly.
Okay, Ari's gonna pick our next balloon. Woo!
Pick it.
Party poppers!
We are going to make party poppers. And we have to cut this part. Tie this part. We'll always tell an adult to cut the bottom.
So you need a paper cut. Have an adult
I cut this.
cut the bottom out.
I cut the bottom.
Cut the top of a balloon and then slip it over your cup like this.
I did it. Ready? I'll show you.
Woo!
Ready? Ready again?
Nice, Walker. Almost did it. Oh, almost.
Oh!
Right there.
Oh! My name.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's see you hit the target, Walker. Walker, all right? What?
Ooh. Whoa. Here you go. Oh. Whoa. Oh, did you? You just hit this light switch?
Yeah.
Oh, that was cool. These are the table tennis balls that we got off of Amazon. They're 60. Guys, Daddy's in the bathroom. Go hide over there, and then when he comes out, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Hurry, hurry. Do you have balls? Come get balls. Hurry, hurry, hurry. He's coming. He's coming. Hurry, I hear him. Not yet, not yet, not yet.
When he gets like that, we go.
Okay.
Hallelujah. Let's see. Yes! Hold it. Oh, yeah. Dance party?
Dance party! Woo!
Red Boss Kids. Make sure to subscribe and watch more of our awesome videos.